Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on Discord. So first, you must use this Better Discord. If you don't have yet, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Better Discord and then download this version. So once you found this, all you have to do is to download, go to the downloads folder, and then run this as administrator, install, and then wait till it pops up to your screen. So as you can see, here it is. Right click, run as administrator, wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, what you're going to do is you just have to follow the steps here. So to install this Better Discord, you just have to agree with their license agreement, install Better Discord, and of course, you must have your Discord already. You must have your Discord before you do this. Okay, and then after that, click select folder since you have your Discord, and then install. And then wait as it is processing. And then once done, you can now go to the start menu and then search for Better Discord. And it means that you are using this version of Discord. So if you have your Discord, that means it is now upgraded. So what you're going to do now next is you have to go to any web browser and then search for Message Logger V2. Now download this, and then you have to go to downloads folder, and then you just have to open this. So you can open, you can tap right click open, or you can just simply double tap. Okay, and then once you have opened this, you just have to click open again, tap OK, click yes, okay, and then tap OK. So here it is. Now go to your Better Discord, go to your settings, and then you have to search for plugins here. Scroll down, tap plugins, and then here you will see the message logger v2. All you have to do is to toggle this one on or turn this one on. Now, if you see this notification missing libraries, all you have to do is to download both of this. And then once done, you just have to turn on, same as the message logger v2. So turn this 3 on. And then now you can go back to your Discord. Now let's see if this one works. So I'm going to, message someone here, my friend, and I am going to delete this message. And I want to know what will be the outcome if I delete this. If my friends see the red message, that means I have deleted those messages. So let me delete this a good day, and can we go now? Okay, as you can see, I have sent these messages. Let me delete. Can we go now, or good day? Delete. I'm going to open my other Discord account and see if I see red messages. These are the messages that have been deleted. So please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to create other tutorials, feel free to message and comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.